Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at TechTrader.com. Although it wasn't a big day in Wall Street, the underlying technicals were very good today. I was very pleased with what I saw. And so many stocks are running, breaking out, accelerating. Take a look at this list. I'll start off with ACHR, which we've been talking about for a couple of months now. After it broke this pennant there, and it broke out across multiple tops, that was where it was a go. So it popped up and pulled back, popped up and wedged, and then today exploded. From 470 to 689, it finished a penny off the high up to 10, going away. This should accelerate and pull through. AEHR, one of our old swings and still going, up another 221 or 4.5% today. Beautiful rising flag. Looks like 62 coming up. AIXI in the AI group, big explosive move. Look at this move off the low here. In a week and a half, this has gone from 5.25 to 9.23, and is broken out through everything. It's a new all-time high. It's a little extended to say the least, but it has momentum. CAVA broke out of its wedge we were showing you all week. That's a recent IPO with a double bottom pop, wedge, and breakout. The near-term target is 61. CRBU popped out today, and we put a swing on it. I just like the look of that wedge. I think the stock makes a run all the way up to 8.5 3/4, and then maybe 10. EBIX also broke through key resistance today, surged 266 or 9.4%. Well, volume wasn't huge, but it's still traded. I still think the stock's headed in the high 30s. EXAI spiked out of a wedge as well, popped $1.36, almost 18%. Looking pretty solid here as it moves through resistance, target now 11.5. FNGR, our second swing in the last month on this one, working very well. 5 of the last 6 days, it's moved from 385 to today's high at 6. I think it's going to take out 7.25 and keep running until it gets to 910 zone. FRO broke out yesterday, breakaway gap today, up their resistance, target 19. Fubo also spiked, popped 23%, closing at a new high. It's the highest close on Fubo since November. I think the stock's headed to 4.75 5 zone. GDRX, explosive move today. Traded that well on a day trade. 692 to 943. Closed at the high for the day going away. Up to 68, 40%. Follow through target is 10, 10, 20. IONQ, rock and roll out of a rising flag. It's accelerating now. Last 2 days, it's gone from 18 to almost 20. $22 is your near-term target. JMIA flyer, it's coming on again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave breakout today to begin. Probably going to head into the 5.5 area. MNMD coming out of a base, spiked, pulled back and retested. It's right back up today for 54 cents, 12.5%. Your target is 5.5. NKLA, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth wave started. Not going to be surprised if this gets to 4, 4.25, 4.5. PLTR broke out as well. Last couple of days, it's gone from 16 to 20. Mid-range target right there at about 20. You get through that, 34 and 27.8 are targets. Plug popped its flag today and jumped from 11.91 to 13.27, closing 2 cents off the high, up 139. That's almost 12%. There is resistance at 14. Your next target is 16. PTON may be coming out of a base as it approaches the breakout point today, jumping $1.04 or 12%. Keep an eye on this one. Next target, 12. QSI has been really running. It exploded from the June low. It was trading around $1.38 all the way up to 386, and it pulled back for a week. Consolidated today, snapped back up a 14% gain, and highest close on this one since back in August of last year. Perhaps it'll see the 4.5 area, maybe even 5.5. Swing trade ROKU popped for the last couple of days dramatically, spiking from 67.70 to today's high at near 97, almost 30 points. Just a couple of days. Today it was up 6 3/4 or 7.5%. My target was and is 199 to 101. We may get there tomorrow. SOFI, also an ascending bull wedge, was broken today with a spike up 926 to 1170. Finished 1132 up 177 and 18.5% gain. It's near a target range, but my next target is 14. SYM had a terrific day. We traded that perfectly. It spiked through a double top and went from a low of 42 3/4 to 64.14. 62 close up 1982, 47%. My target 77.78. Tdoc, one of our swings which broke out and pulled back, snapping right back today. Jumped to $1.55 or 5.5%. It's the highest close we've seen on this one since February. The next target is 32 and then 34.5. And Tupperware, our final stock for today, unbelievable move. Just 8 days ago, the stock was trading at 60 cents. Today it reached 4.79. And you can see the run up right now is getting us near 6, maybe even 8. We'll have to see where it goes, but phenomenal momentum. That's a look at some of the very hot stocks at thetechtrader.com for today. Have a great evening, everybody.